Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Airbnb location not working. First, make sure that your location services are enabled on your phone. Go to settings and then go to location and make sure that the location services are turned on. Next, allow the location permissions for the Airbnb app as well. On Android or iPhone, go to the app settings and enable the location access for Airbnb app. Then reset your phone and open the app again. This refreshes these location services. Make sure your GPS is working properly by checking any other apps like maps. Then also head over to your app store, search for Airbnb and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version as outdated versions may have location issues. That's how, if the problem continues, switch your location mode to high accuracy in your device settings. That's how you fix the Airbnb location not working. Subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.